My name is Vinit Nimkar from Department of Information Technology. My subject is GIS, that is Geographic Information System. Today the topic will be data visualization. In data visualization, first is relationship between GIS and map. Now GIS and map are closely related with each other, and it can answer three questions, that is like where, what and when. Simplification and abstraction of reality. A map simplifies out certain details at time. For example, if you want to represent number of students per boundary or per schools or per colleges or in a country, it can be represented via different symbols or colors as well. Now if you can see in the example, there is one aerial photograph as well as map gives us only outlines of the buildings, streets, etc., but aerial photographs helps us to visualize objects as well, such as park cars, small temporary buildings, etc. Now if next topic is map and scale. Now relationship between map and scale is that large scale maps, as you can see, large scale maps have a ratio between distance of the map and corresponding destinations. Maps that show details of smaller area can be used for large scales. Topographic maps and thematic maps. Topographic maps can be used to show different have limited scale and can be used to show limited types of objects like vegetations, built up areas, geographic means, etc. While as if you can see, topographic thematic maps can be based upon only particular theme. You can show information based only upon certain particular things like only population, only road, only railway networks, etc. Now if we talk about the visualization process, the visualization process is mainly influenced by the following factors, that is the scale of the map. We are dealing with thematic map or topographic maps, or we are dealing with quantitative or qualitative type of data. Now in visualization process, cartographer has to answer the question how to say what to whom and is it effective by applying cartographic methods and techniques. Cartographic rules. Cartographer needs to follow certain rules so that the map can be designed efficiently, such that cartographer should first of all know what data is going to be represented. He should know like what are the proportions of the data and symbols which he is going to use to represent that data. Now there are different kind of visualization strategies. First is visual communication. That means the data which we are going to show in the maps, how it is going to be represented visually. Next is visual thinking process. User should be able to easily identify what kind of data it is by just looking at the visual representation. Geo visualization, it is mainly focused upon exploration of different functions of map. There are different functions which are available in maps, so geo visualization is used for that. Exploration is like it is designed for private visual thinking, that is for a specific purpose like oil explorations, etc. Now coming to the main question, that is how do I say what to whom. The answer to this question is diagrammatically represented as well. That is what means what information is to be represented. Effective, how the information is going to be effectively represented. To whom the user, this information needs to be conveyed, which type of map, and how it is going to be represented by the cartographer. Now if we can see the cartographer data analysis, there are different kind of scales and nature of data. First one is nominal and categorical data. Nominal data means it contains only names or nominal data about particular geographic object. Ordinal, the data is always in some form of an order. Interval, it will be an information which might have an arbitrary zero value. Ratio, that is quantitative data can be represented. Now symbologies, there are different kind of visual variables that can be represented. As we can see over here, there are different kind of visuals available. We can represent data in the form of points. As you can see, different point sizes can be used, different colors can be used, different orientations can be used as well. we can also make use of lines to represent data like roads, railway lines. And there is also representation of area, in which area of size of an particular area, okay, vegetation cover, etc., can be represented. So thank you, that's the topic.